In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert Excel table in Gmail with borders. If you've ever pasted a table into an email only to lose all the grid lines, this walkthrough will show you the simplest way to keep everything crisp and readable. First, open Gmail in your browser and sign in. Once you're in your inbox, look for the Google Apps icon, the grid of 9 dots in the top right corner. Click it to open the app's launcher, then scroll down through the list until you see Google Sheets. Click Google Sheets and on the Start page, choose Blank Spreadsheet. We're using Sheets here as an easy staging area, but the same idea works if your data lives in Microsoft Excel. Next, make sure your table has borders before you copy it. In Excel or in Sheets, select the exact range you want to email. Use the Border tool or the Format Cells options and choose All Borders. This forces visible grid lines around every cell, so Gmail preserves them when you paste. While you're at it, you can apply simple formatting like bold headers or alignment. Basic styles usually transfer well, whereas very complex layouts, merged cells, or special fonts may not look identical in an email. With the table formatted, copy it. On Windows, press Ctrl+C. On a Mac, press Command+C. Now switch back to Gmail and click Compose to open a new message. Add your recipients and subject if you like, then click into the message body where you want the table to appear. Make sure you're using the rich text editor, not plain text, so formatting can carry over. Paste the table with Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on a Mac. You should immediately see your data appear as a clean inline table complete with the borders you set. Column widths and basic colors typically come through, and you can still type above or below the table as normal. If anything looks off, return to your spreadsheet, adjust borders or widths, copy again, and paste once more. Small tweaks in the source usually fix display issues in Gmail. That's it. By preparing your table with all borders and pasting directly into a Gmail Compose window, you can share polished, easy-to-read data without attachments. Try sending yourself a quick test message to confirm it renders well on desktop and mobile, and you're ready to go.